What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be blowing out this little speaker. It was out of a little 5 Below touch top speaker, but yeah. So it's already half blown. I'm just going to finish it off using the amplifier from my homemade boombox. But since it's half blown and it's shorted, I'm starting at about half volume, so I don't screw up the amplifier. I mean, like, I don't think I will because I'm using it on that little power supply that would current limit it, but just in case, so yeah. Let's go ahead and grab 2 lights here, and let's finish this thing off with this song. So, play. Yeah, you can hear a little bit of interference, that's the woofer. So what I did here is make it so it's all the way on the left channel, which means that it's only the tweeter going in, and I have this driver hooked on the tweeter channel. I turned off the woofer because it's on the right channel, so let's go ahead and press play. Don't know when it's gonna start smoking though. Hopefully soon. So if it's almost current limiting that adapter, it's gotta be a lot of power, so yeah, it's only 3 watts rating on this little driver. I might try a different song here. That might do it. I'm going to be playing the second one right here. Oh, too high of a volume, let's turn it down a little bit. Alright. I'm just going to start smoking. Alright. It's as high as it goes before it starts to like cut off current limit. And once again, hope I don't ruin my amplifier. But I don't think it will because it is current limited by that adapter, so yeah. So the adapter I'm using is only a 12 volt 0.75 amps, so not a lot of power. And if this doesn't blow up, I'm going to use my little step-down transformer, so yeah. Oh, did I just see smoke? Oh yeah, it's starting to smoke now. Check on this. My camera's about to die, dang it. Haven't charged it. It smoked when that's not smoking, what the heck? Try a different song. So I'm going to be playing Coca-Cola. So let's do that. The volume up a little bit until it starts to... There we go, alright. Alright. See if this does it. Yeah, that's the problem with shorted out speakers. It like has a way less resistance and it doesn't like want to smoke as much because the coil is like suddenly much smaller. So yeah. But the thing with transformers, they just push out a lot of current if something's shorted. So if this doesn't work, I'm gonna use my little step down transformer. This is the max power the amplifier can output with that adapter. I would use the battery, but I don't want to like discharge it because it's at a good storing voltage right now. So as of right now, I like to use the adapter, so yeah. Also, I don't want to ruin the amplifier in here, so when is this gonna go? You know what? No, that's just getting stupid. Let me just play a low frequency tone. Like a little, like it's from function generator, so yeah. 15 hertz. I see that thing moving. Oh yeah. Hopefully this will put it into it. And what is that bug crawling right there? What the hell? Yeah. Right. Will this put an end to it? Hopefully it does. Definitely moving quite a bit. Well, it would move. It would move a lot more, but it's half blown, like I said. So yeah. Yeah, it's not even half volume, and it's starting to make that noise where it's current limiting. So yeah. When is this gonna go? Come on now. Lower the frequency a little bit. 10 hertz. .35 hertz. Maybe do 35, so. Alright. Hopefully it starts to smoke before my camera dies. Still shows 1%, so yeah. Hold on, is my amp overheating? Oh, I can smell it. Oh, 0%? Damn it. Alright. Okay guys, so my camera died. Charging it right now, as you can see. Wow. The amplifier in that, I did not expect it, but it was stupidly hot. The chip, I mean, actually, I can probably show you guys. It's not very bright, is it? Oh well, sorry about the low light. Try to show you guys what I'm talking about here. Just letting it cool off. But basically, the chip, the little, I don't have 3 hands. The chip in the middle was too hot to touch, and these capacitors on top were too hot to touch, and oh, that's not good. That capacitor is a little bit bulging. Or is it? It's just I see like a little slot on the top. I don't know if that's normal. It's still very hot, that capacitor. The chip, that's warm. Yes. Wow. Okay. How does that work? The capacitors are 35 volts, but I'm only getting a 12 volt supply and they're getting really hot. I don't know. What about the inductors? Oh yeah, they're warm. Okay. That proves to me that this little speaker's a piece of shit, and it's trying to destroy this amplifier. I'm gonna use the transformer now, so Yeah, I wanted to blow it up using music, but I guess that's just not possible. So, let's finish this little stupid thing off now. Alright, let's finish off this little piece of shit. So I'm gonna turn on that transformer. It's stepping it down to 60 volts in my case, just so I start off with a low voltage, so it has more time to like let off smoke, so let's turn it on. Come on. Turn it on with my phone. Oh, maybe it's not making contact. Hold on. A second here. Okay. Come on. Oh, yep, it's smoke immediately. Oh. No, it's still going. Oh, I see that smoke. Oh, wow. Wow. It's gonna set off my damn smoke detector. Let me... Okay. Alright guys, I'm back. I had to make sure that set off my smoke detector. I have it now wired so it's giving it double the power. Not on a 120 volt input, it's still 60 volt input, but I have a center tap transformer as well. I put it on the half, but now it's on the full voltage, so let's see how this goes now. 3, 2, 1. Let's go to get it. Alright. It's a lot of smoke. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna have to go into my garage. I can smell this. Okay. You know what? No. Okay, yeah. No, this is gonna stick up my room here. I'm gonna go to my garage tomorrow. I'll be back. Alright guys, it's the next day, so I'm gonna finish off this speaker now, so 3, 2, 1. Hear it. Alright. Should put it into it. Oh, there's smoke already. Wow. Oh yeah, I can kinda see it on the camera. Whoa. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. Whew. Damn. Holy. Sorry about the mess. Better not go into there. Jesus freaking. Yeah. Wow. Now it smells like freaking. I don't even know. Like burnt paper. Cardboard. Yeah. I'm gonna finish this outside. Yeah. I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm now in my garage, so let's finally finish this thing off. I have the transformer on right there, and I'm gonna give it the full 24 volts. So, yeah, hopefully the transformer doesn't burn from the short circuit. Hopefully it'll go open circuit after a little bit. Alright, so 3, 2, 1. Smoke already, alright. Oh. Is that it? I can smell it. Wow. Well. I hope that's it. What if I just leave connected and then, like, I can smell it. It's like, it smells even more burnt. Aw. At least we got a lot of smoke in the beginning. Oh. Oh, come on. wonder where it broke. Check. Maybe the coil just went open circuit or something. There you go. There's that. The end of that. Oh! Oh, it was just hitting the basket probably. Well, that is loud. Just try to see what's inside here. Cool. See what's inside. Come on. Oh yeah. That coil looks pretty burnt. Here we go. So that's what it looks like. Right? Not bad. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Well guys, as a last resort, I'm going to try to connect these little flexible wires here to the 24 volts. Hopefully my transformer has enough power to make that go open circuit before it melts the secondary on it. So let's try to do it. Careful here, don't zap myself. It's kind of a dodgy way to do it, but it'll work. Alright. Oh. Oh, oh, look at that smoke ring. Oh my god. Whoa. Wow, I'm so glad I got that on video. That was awesome. Oh, and it smells now. Wow. That was a really cool thing. Alright.